explain block diagram of basic elements of protective system. So as we have already discussed, there are 5 basic blocks of a power system protection point of view. First is the sensing elements, which senses the abnormality and provides the signal to the selector or the brain of a system, which detects whether it is a fault or not, whether it is in zone or out of zone fault, what to do, what not to do. Now for the comparison purpose, it has to measure the quantity, so the third element is the measuring element, and after it the relay or the electronic device which is intelligent enough to compare this magnitude with the set conditions provides the signals, and which are given to the amplifier, and then from the amplifier to the actuators, means the circuit breakers. So there are 5 key elements of this block diagram. One is sensing element, second is selector, third is measuring element, 4 is amplifier, and 5 is actuator. Now the sensing elements CT and PT. So the name itself suggests they are sensing elements. One is current transformer, one is potential transformer. So current transformer senses the abnormality of the current, whether the magnitude is high enough, that is increases, or decreases, means lower the set value. This happens when the circuit is open, the current is below this set value, means 0 ideally, and for the high current, means when there is a short circuit, the current magnitude increases abruptly. For the potential transformer, for the short circuit voltage is 0, and for open circuit voltage is at set values. So the PT and CT are the eyes and ears of the protective devices. They senses the abnormality and provides the signal. Now the summation transformer decides whether it is a fault or abnormality. It differentiates between these two, whether it is a temporary fault, that is abnormality, or a permanent abnormality, that is fault. And if it is a fault, then whether this fault is in zone or out of zone. The discrimination, selectivity, sensitivity, all the properties of the relaying system is important in this case. After that decision, the magnitude is measured, and accordingly a signal is generated, and this signal is amplified at a certain level which actuates the output. So the amplified signal is given to the actuators, that is circuit breakers, that will disconnect the faulty part, and the healthy part remains in the system as it is. So this is the key elements of the block diagram. You can write accordingly when this question asked in the examination, like explain block diagram of a basic elements of a protective system.